The first grain-laden ship from Ukraine passed through Istanbul's Bosphorus Strait on Wednesday and continued to its destination after receiving green light from the inspection team. Sierra Leone flagged vessel Razoni, which sailed off from Ukraine's Odessa port, exited the Bosphorus Strait at around 4 p.m. local time. It took nearly 2 hours for the ship to pass through the 31 kilometers long strait, which connects the Black Sea with the Marmara Sea. The vessel, which was inspected by a joint team of specialists in the morning before it could pass, was then escorted by boats belonging to the Turkish Coastal Guard through its entire passage. Razoni is expected to arrive at its destination in Lebanon in the upcoming days and deliver a cargo of over 26 tons of corn. The ship's passage marks the first successful large shipment of Ukrainian grain to international markets as a part of the United Nations-backed deal between Turkey, Russia and Ukraine signed on July 22nd. The agreement aims to resume food and fertilizer exports from the Ukrainian ports in the Black Sea. According to the state-run Anadolu Agency, some 20 million tons of grain still reside in Ukrainian silos waiting to be exported. Mevlut Çavuşoğlu, Turkish Foreign Minister, commented on the passage after he met with Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov in Cambodia. He stated more attempts aimed at easing the export of certain items are being undertaken by Russia and Turkey. According to the United Nations, lack of the Ukrainian and Russian grains on the international market is a major cause of global food inflation.